Thank you for joining us today. Good day and welcome to Faith Assembly. Happy Sundays to you and the family. Uxbridge, London is the best place to be any time of the day. And London City is the heart of the United Kingdom, the home of Faith Assembly. We are a Christ-centered church where loving God and loving people is the key. Faith Assembly is a place to belong, serve and grow. We really appreciate you for choosing to join us today. We are so excited to see you as today is the day that Lord has made. If it is your first time here, we look forward to meeting you. Getting to know you and helping you get connected is our desire. We will appreciate if you can complete our feedback form at www.faithassembly.org.uk/feedback regarding our service today. Coming up this week. Next Wednesday is our Bible study. Join us at 7 p.m. as we study the scriptures line upon line, precept upon precept. The Bible study is just 1 hour between 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. The next workers' induction is today. All interested volunteers should wait after the service. Baptism is open to all members who have accepted Jesus Christ as their Savior and desire to publicly proclaim their faith. If you have not been baptized yet and feel a calling to do so, we wholeheartedly welcome you to take part in this blessed ceremony. Register with Dr. Ive for more information. Moving on to what is happening this month. In the heart of 2023, an awe-inspiring concert experience is set to captivate the world with its mesmerizing blend of music, worship, and spirituality. When we worship, 2023 promises to be an unforgettable day, uniting people from all walks of life in a celebration of faith, love, and harmony. This extraordinary event will take place at Faith Arena on Saturday, August 26th, featuring a lineup of worship artists. Pat King of the famous Midnight Crew, Austin B of the famous Diesel Nation, Olin and Defen of the famous Worship Cafe,
Let me know you. Let me know you more sincerely.
Victor Ajayi of the famous Goodness of God and Made a Way, Fodo Amu of the famous Jehovah Shalom, all hosted by our one and only Faith Voices Choir. And now is the time for the quiz of the week. Who was the prophet and leader who spoke against the wickedness of King Ahab and Jezebel? Elijah, 1 Kings 19. And finally it is offering time, blessing time. There are different ways to give this morning. You can give by paying cash or via the point of sale machine. Ask the ushers or going online or by paying directly into the church account. To pay online, visit www.faithassembly.org.uk/give. Or speak to the ushers in order to use the POS. And finally you could pay by bank transfer with the displayed account details. Thank you for giving to the Lord.